We'll guide you through how to complete Stripe onboarding. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Stripe website and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see a notification at the top prompting you to complete your account setup. Click on that notification to start the onboarding process. You'll be taken to a page where you need to enter your business details. This includes your business name, type, and address. Make sure this information is accurate as it will be used for verification purposes. Next, you'll need to provide your personal information. This typically includes your full name, date of birth, and home address. Stripe uses this to comply with legal requirements, so accuracy is crucial here. After that, it's time to add your bank account details. You'll need your bank's routing number, account number, and possibly a bank statement for verification. This allows Stripe to deposit funds directly into your account. Once your bank details are in, you'll be asked to confirm your email address. Check your inbox for a confirmation email from Stripe and follow the link provided. If you don't see it, make sure to check your spam or junk folders. After confirming your email, you'll need to set up two-step authentication for added security. You can choose to receive codes via SMS or an authenticator app. Follow the instructions to link your phone number or app to your Stripe account. Once all these steps are complete, review your information to ensure everything is correct. Finally, click the Submit button to officially complete your onboarding. You might receive a confirmation email or notification on your dashboard indicating that your account is ready to go. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.